That one's for you. Should be stoked with that one. That's stoked of. Oh, there's a little smile. G'day legend, Sammy here. But today you can call me SAMta Claus because the BCF in Chrissy sale is here. And today we're going to spread some Christmas cheer by giving away some gear to some happy campers and fishers. Let's go shopping. We're at location 1, a local boat ramp. We put the call out to get some fishers down here, and it looks like they heard us. Let's go say g'day. Which one's your favourite, shark or a marlin?
Shark.
Shark? I'm looking for essentially Cinderella, but for Crocs. Slip your shoe off. Let's see if they fit. What do you reckon? Hey, that's pretty comfy. Do you fish soft plastics much?
Yeah.
Yeah? One of those, they're going to be really good for flathead, working along the flats. You're going to have to wear this on the work site all day.
I might wear it Christmas Day as well, is that all right?
Mate, by all means.
Yeah, we'll go that, mate.
Go the top water. That's a Taylor Slayer if I ever saw it. Yeah. Hey mate, are you chasing any crew for today? Before you go, I've got a bit of kit here. We're giving some stuff away. We'll start with a stubby cooler because it's summer and you know how that comes in handy. All right, if they can't pull some flatties on that, it's time to start golfing. Awesome. Righto guys, we're at spot number 2. It is an absolute glorious day. It's heating up. We're gonna go see if we can surprise a few campers. See if we've got a few treats for them. You're gonna need some stickers, plaster them all over mum and dad's car, and then we're gonna go run around the beach later. Yes, with the fishing shirt, that's you, mate. Have you caught a barra?
Not yet.
Well, you have now. They don't taste as good as you'd think, but what do you reckon about those?
Bit of soya sauce, it should taste all right.
Morning, ladies. This will brighten up your Christmas. My people, we've got a spare sleeping bag.
Oh, good on you, buddy.
Got a little sun shelter for you.
Yeah, we forgot ours.
You forgot it? That's why SAMta Claus is here.
We love BCF, we're there all the time. We do lots of kayaking and paddleboarding.
Now, have you got kayaks and paddle boards, or you just hire them out, or?
We have a couple of kayaks, but we have 5 in our family, so we just share them around a bit and we have lots of fun on them. And
I might have a bit of a surprise for you. Here's a brand new paddleboard. You got 5 kids?
yes, I do.
That'll make the sharing a little bit easier.
Oh, thank you so much. That's absolutely fantastic.
And we'll give you the full kit.
All right.
We've got a shirt, the Savage Gear shirt.
Heck down.
And that's a bit of a Merry Christmas from BCF.
Wow, thank you.
Talk about a quick turnaround. We were up there about 15 minutes ago, already out in the water.
Yeah, already out in the water. I couldn't wait. This is just amazing. This is my dream come true, having a blow-up paddleboard, and it's just the best thing ever.
Look at that. But how would you like a new beach umbrella?
Yeah,
Do
beautiful.
you get down the beach a bit?
Yeah,
Of course you do. Guns like those.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas from BCF. Couldn't help but notice you guys are lacking in the shade department.
Mate, you beautiful man.
BCF and fun, mate. Get around it.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, and now we bring out the big gifts. We've got a brand spanking new Weber Baby Q. I've picked up some BCF wrapping paper. We're gonna wrap this bad boy up, see if we can make some camper's day. Aboard each, we've got Spider-Man for you, young fella, and a Barbie board there. Comes with a snorkel kit. A little scenario, you head into BCF. What's the first thing on your list?
Barbecue, I reckon.
A barbecue. Well, I think we can sort you out right here, right now. Would you mind jumping up and unwrapping this present for us? Go for it, kiddos.
Unreal.
Ladies and gentlemen, that is a brand new Weber Baby Q. Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas.
Thanks, BCF. You're awesome. Love you heaps.
Thanks so much, BCF.
Right, guys, we're going to chalk that up as a win. We've put some smiles on faces. We've spread some BCFing cheer. Now, don't forget, if you still need to do some Christmas shopping, head into your local BCF. And if you don't know what to buy, you can always get them a gift card. Anyways, guys, that's all from me. Merry Christmas and have a good one.